has been worsened by the recent increase of fuel prices. We know what is going on in the Middle East. That is not the major factor that has created a problem. The major factor is taxation. Kenya, the taxation through fuel consumption is the highest, and that's why the pump prices in Kenya are the highest literally on the continent of Africa. Even countries like the Eastern Africa countries which get their oil through Kenya have their prices lower than Kenya. So you know what that means, and we saw it in the country. The transporters are saying, look, we can't operate. They don't know whether to increase the costs of like bus fare because they know the people will not afford. But at the same time, they are also in a difficult position. If they don't increase, they will be driven out of business. So those are among the things we want to look at. Those are among the things we want to hear the views of our brothers and sisters in Turkana as we prepare our manifesto.